All right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes. Thank you for joining us again today. Yes, doing some touch up today, and then it will be all from me. Yes. So I want to welcome you for joining us today. Um, and those that have been joining us throughout the session when we started. Yes, when we started our syllabus from the beginning. Yes, it has been a wonderful journey with you guys here. One thing that you need to understand is that when you when you teach others, you are also taught in the process, because it makes you as the teacher to always keep your heads up. Yes. So the more you teach, the more you also learn. So I want to thank you guys for joining us on this platform. I want to thank with Coach Julius for the work that he's putting into this space. Yes, guys, you can see that Crypto Ambassadors is a community that is committed. When you look at its leadership, discover that it is a strong community. Yes. So if you are not ready for this, you'll discover that you're going to remain behind. So, guys, welcome to our last day here when it comes to candlestick chart pattern. Yeah. So, we are going to uh, look at some of the candlestick chart patterns that we went through. We will try and navigate them and see how they look like, what happened. Yes, so that will be the conclusion of the matter for today. I hope my voice is audible. Is my voice audible? Can you hear me? Is my voice audible today? Is my voice audible? If you can hear me, give me a one in the chat. I know I've got a little bit of a running nose, but I think I can be heard properly. If you can hear me, give me a one in the chat. If you can hear me, give me a one in the chat. All right. Okay. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning once again. As we are finishing up our candlestick chart pattern today, I want to thank those. I have seen people, or I have seen names that have been consistent. Yes, I have seen names that have been consistent. Every day I have been seeing them here. I want to thank those because of their consistency. Yes. This Zoom is live, guys, so you don't need to request for a recording. The Zoom is live, all right? I don't know, we pressed by mistake, I'm not sure. But the Zoom is live, so we don't need to request for a recording. All right, so I'm going to share my screen, and then we get into the business of the day. I think we may not stay longer here since we are finishing up. So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. So is my screen visible on your side? Is my screen visible on your side? Is my screen visible on your side? My screen is visible. Give me a 1 in the chat. If you can see my screen, give me a 1 in the chat. You can see my screen, give me a 1 in the chat. If you can see my screen, give me a 1 in the chat. Yes, if you can see my screen, give me a 1 in the chat. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have been looking at different types of candlestick chart patterns. We said that candlestick chart patterns, they are profitable. Yes, they are profitable trading concepts because they are like a language of the market. Okay, they are like a language of the market. So we have been looking at chart patterns or candlesticks. When they appear, the market changes direction. There is a reversal in the market. It's either to the upper side or to the downside. All right. So we have been navigating, we have been going through those chart patterns where we have seen different types of them. We have seen different types of them, right? Yes. So I want us to take a view on these chart patterns. Yes, I want us to go and look at them. If you are able to identify them, that is okay. That is fine. Okay, if you are able to identify them, that is fine. Yes, that is okay. So that's what we'll be doing today. We're gonna come and look at some of them. Yes, if we are able to identify them, that will be okay. All right, that will be okay. So this is our trading view app. This is our trading view app. When we started, we said that the red candles represents sellers, while the green candles represents buyers. All right. The red candles represents sellers. The green candles represents buyers. That's what we laid our foundation from. So what you are seeing here, it is these two powers that are shaking the market. These two powers that are shaking the market. Whenever they move, there is something happening in the market. All right. So we are going to look at different types of chart patterns. If we can locate some of them, that will be fine. Yes, that will be fine. If we can locate some of them, that is going to be absolutely fine. Yes. So, okay, I am right here. I am right here. Okay. Yes, I am right here. And I want us to start looking at them. I am in the 1 day time frame, and this is a coin called COT. This is a coin called COT, right? This is a coin called COT. So I am in the 1 day time frame. I'll be changing the time frame to 4 hours, 1 day, 4 hours, because I want us to check in a longer time frame and to see what normally happens. Okay, what normally happens, what are the valid chart patterns that we may find, what are the valid chart patterns that we may find. Okay, so here we are. I want you to come here with me. All right, if I may put this way, if I may put this way, okay, if I may put this way, this chart here, all right, if I may put it this way, all right, if we are to draw a line, if we are to draw a line, we draw a line here, and then we draw a line there, okay? If we are to do that, we can see that the market moved from here. It went high up to that area. Then it came back here. Then it went up. This time around, it decided to break this line. So let us look here where this market started and where it went high up there. As you can see here at this area, and then you see here at this area, okay? What types of candles are you seeing here? Let me try maybe to enlarge the screen. Yes, the market has been trending upward. It started from this side, but I want us to look from here, all right? Yes, if I may enlarge my screen this size, okay? What type of candles are you seeing here? What type of candles are you seeing here? What type of candles are you seeing here? If you were able to follow what I was teaching, what type of candles are you seeing here? What type of candles? Give me an answer in the chat. If you have been attending our class, if you have been attending our class, if you have been a regular, because if you are just joining us or probably you only came yesterday, then we're going to have a problem with you. Yes. So what type of candles are you seeing here? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of candles are you seeing here? I said if we are to draw our line here, we draw our line here. Yes. The market is coming from this side, going this side. Yes. Give me an answer in the chat. What type of candles are these ones? What type of candles are these ones? Let me come to the Zoom and see what answers people are giving. Let me come and see. What type of candles are those ones? Yes, what type of candles are those ones? 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 Are you copying and pasting? Are you copying and pasting? Are you copying and pasting? Today, I think it's going to be an interesting class. Yet it's gonna be an interesting class. Somebody says it's a pizza bottom. Someone says it's a bearish inside bar. Somebody says it's a harami pattern. Hey, yeah, yo. Are you copying and pasting? Harami chat patterns. Harami chat patterns. Are you serious? Is this a harami chat pattern? Is this an inside bar? Are you serious? Is this an inside bar? Is this an inside bar? What is happening here, ladies and gentlemen? You can see that when this candle closed, another one grew or started on top of it. Just where it closed, another one started there. When this one also closed, the other one started there. They have maintained. Can you see the size of the shadows? See the size of the shadows? They have maintained that they don't want an intruder to take control. So here, the buyers, they are trying to close the gap. They did not allow the selling activity to take over. Okay. Yes, there was a little bit of selling, but the selling activity did not dominate. Actually, we could say here the buyers, they put their defense high. Okay, they did put their defense high. So you can see this candle, and this candle, the way they formed, they are giving us a portrait of the three white soldiers. Okay, they are giving us a portrait of the three white soldiers, as you can see how they are building up, going to the top. So the market has been moving from this point. Actually, when you look at history, you will see that this market is coming from here. That's where the market is coming from. All right. You can see where the market is coming from, right? So from this point going high up there, you can see what is happening in the market, especially in this time frame. So the market went up, then it went up to this height. Can you see the high of our market? It is somewhere here. That's the high. When the market moved from here, it went high up to that level. Now, when it went to this Kilimanjaro here, this is our Kilimanjaro here. Yes. When it touched our ceiling, which is our resistant line, if we are to draw a line there, it is going to become our resistant line. We always say what goes up, it is going to come what? It is going to come down. So the market has been trending. You are taking profit. Okay, you are taking profit up to this level. Now look at the last candle that finished the race for the upside. The candle that finished the race to the upper side. What type of a candle is this? What type of a candle is this? What type of a candle is this if I am to enlarge the screen? What type of a candle is this one here? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a candle is this one here? What type of a candle is this? What type of a candle is this? And what did we say when this candle appears on top? Okay, when this candle appears on the resting area for buyers, what does this candle signify and what is the name of this candle? What is the name of this candle? Give me an answer in the chat. Give me an answer in the chat. What is the name of that candle? 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 What is the name of the candle? Yes. So what did we say about dojis? What did we say about dojis? Before we classify them and say it's a dragonfly doji or a gravestone doji. What did we say generally about dojis? When you see dojis, what do they mean? When you see that price has been opened and closed at almost at the same area here, can you see what happened here? This is something like a plus sign. All right, this is almost like a plus sign. So the power, okay, or the pressure for sellers and buyers, they are almost the what? The same. This is equality. Okay, I said that dojis signify equality in the what? In the market. So when the two powers are equal, it means the market did not decide which direction it should take from here. Okay, when I was explaining, I said you must watch out. The next session, what is going to happen? Is the market going to continue going up or the market is going to change direction to the downside? So there is indecision that was taking place there, okay, because there was equality. So indecision was present. You can see that buyers and sellers, they are having something like equal powers there. Then we see in the next session, then it was able to be seen. Can you see what is happening from this level going down? Okay, they are still fighting. You can see that. But the market has already shown, the market has already indicated that now it is going downward. But it is obvious. Let us look at where the market is coming. This market has been trending upward for some time. It has been trending upward for some time. So yes, the going down of the market is not something that we should say is a surprise. What goes up needed to what? To come down. So the market came down here. So we are able to see that this is a doji. This is a doji, right? We are finding these types of candles. This is a doji. All right, this is a doji. Now, let's try to navigate. Let's continue navigating I want us to be familiar with these types of candles when they are developing. All right. Can you see the presence of long shadows and whether it's upper shadows or lower shadows? Are you able to see the shadows in the process? Are you able to see the shadows in the process? When I was teaching about shadows, are you able to see shadows in the process? Are you able to see shadows in the process? What type of a candlestick is this one here? What type of a candlestick is this one? I want to display this way. What type of a candlestick is this one? What type of a candlestick is this one? What type of a candlestick is this one? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a candlestick is this and this? And look at their appearance when they appeared. When they appeared in the chart, if I may put it this way, when they appeared in the chart, what happened? Yes, I need an answer. If you are able to read, if you are able to interpret, yes, if you are able to interpret, what are you seeing there? 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 Some they are seeing a harami. Yes, some they are seeing a harami. Some they are seeing a harami there. Some they are seeing a harami pattern there. Is that a harami pattern, guys? Or it is a hammer? A pin bar. That is a pin bar. It's not a harami. It is a pin bar. Yes, it is a pin bar, which is a hammer. It's not a harami pattern. All right. Yes. So you can see what happened when we were talking about a hammer. Okay. When we were talking about hammers, which are called pin bars. So we can see that the market changed direction after the appearance of this doji here. The market went downward. Okay. Then when it reached here, there was some sort of market changing direction to the upper side, and we saw it went high up there. Okay. So this is in 1 day time frame. If we are to change our time frame probably to 4 hours, if we are to change our time frame to 4 hours and see what is going on in the 4 hours, what type of candlesticks are we going to find in the 4-hour time frame? In the 4-hour time frame, what type of candlesticks are we going to see in the 4-hour time frame? All right, because I said that let us look at the market in a longer time frame. Yes. So look at the trend. Look at the trend where the market is coming from. All right, so that you are able to see the display of candles that are forming. Check the previous trend. Where is the market coming from? Check the previous trend where the market is coming from. Yes, maybe let's come over here. Let's come and see what is happening here. Yes, what is happening here? All right, what is happening here? What happened here? What type of a candle is this one? Ladies and gentlemen, what type of a candlestick is this? What type of a candlestick is this one? What type of a candlestick is that one? What type of a candle is this one? And then when the market went to the top there, let us see what happened. Yes. We are navigating our trading view, looking at what has happened, and identifying these chart patterns. Yes. What is the name of this candlestick over here? What is the name of this candlestick over here and this one over here? I want an answer in the chat. These two candles, what are they called? What are they called? We're gonna go and check other coins also and see I spotted some of them. They are going to give us different chart patterns. But I can see in this one, we are able to find dojis and hammers. Yes, we are seeing dojis and hammers in this coin that we are able to look at. So we see doji and a pin bar or a hammer. Yes, that is correct. A doji and a pin bar. And we are able to see that the market changed direction. Okay. Yes, the market changed direction after the appearance of those two candles. All right. Thank you so much to those that are following and giving answers. It means that they are able to read. Okay. Let's check some of the candles, I mean the coins here, and see what can we find. What can we find? Let us look at Pepe, what Pepe is going to give us. Let us check at Pepe. What type of candles may we find? Yes, what type of candles that Pepe is going to give us. This is 4-hour time frame, ladies and gentlemen. This is 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. Can we find engulfing bars here? Can we find engulfing bars here? How I wish we could find engulfing bars so that we also see how they look like. If we don't find engulfing bars, what can we find? Can we find morning stars? Can we get some morning stars? Let me check in the 1-day time frame. Let me check 1-day time frame. But initially, what we are trying to do is the chart patterns that we have been looking at. Can we find them? Are they visible in the market? Okay. We are not saying you are going to find them, all of them everywhere. No. But you are able to see that when the market is changing direction, whether to the upper side or to the downside, you are able to see some of the chart patterns appearing. That signifies that what we have been analyzing, it is true, it is correct, it is happening. All right. What we have been looking at as candlestick chart pattern, you are able to see when the pressure is, a certain pressure is dominating, you are able to see what happened. How did the buyers took over from sellers, or how did the sellers took over from buyers? That's what we are trying to do here. So that when you are preparing to enter the market after other confirmations, I always say that you don't use one interpretation and then you enter the market. No, you also need to confirm with other tools and say, okay, what I am seeing here, it is what it is. So let me prepare myself whether to exit or to enter the market. All right. So you can see most of the candles that we are seeing dojis, we are seeing pin bars that are mostly available almost everywhere. We are seeing pin bars. When the market is reversing, yes, we are seeing the presence of pin bars. Okay, let me come here. What is happening here? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? Give me an answer in the chat. Can you see where this candle and this candle, can you see the body sizes? I want you to look at the body sizes. Look at the body sizes of these two. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? If you remember very well, we just did it. Just did it, not far away, not far away. We just did it. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? Someone is thinking that we are speaking Greek here. We are speaking Greek. We are not talking a Hebrew here. We are not speaking Hebrew here. What type of a candlestick is that? What type of a candlestick is that? What type of a candlestick is that? I'm glad that is some they have been following. I'm glad. I'm very glad that some have been following. They are able to know that that is a tweezer top. Yes, that is a tweezer top. All right. That is a tweezer top. Yes. All right. So you can see the significance of a tweezer top. You can see the significance of a tweezer top when the market went high up there and the presence of that tweezer top, then we saw the reverse of the market. Yes, the market reversed. So this is a tweezer top, guys. This is a tweezer top. You can see the size of the body of the candles. All right. Yes, the presence of shadows is there, though it's not longer enough, but you can see the body sizes. That tells you that that has been a tweezer top. When you do the screen like this, can you see the market has been going up, 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 right? Yes. So the presence of the tweezer top there, it tells you that something is going to happen after that. And it did happen. The market started to come down, up to this level. Okay, the market started to come down up to this level. You can see here, the market came down here. All right. But now when the market start to come down here, you can see the presence of these candles. The candles that were forming here. The candles that were forming here. Can you see after the presence of this candle? After the presence of this candle, there was a consolidation that was happening here before the market showed which direction is taking. But all this started with the presence of this candle. When this candle appeared, all right, when this candle appeared, this is a buying pressure candle. This is a buying pressure candle. When it appeared, okay, when it appeared, you can see this candle and this candle. Look what is happening there. So you can see that what we have been looking at is coming to pass. Probably some they don't understand, but you are able to see, to those that have been here and following our lessons, they are able to see. All right. So we were looking at Pepe. Let us look at the big man here. What type of candles the big man is going to give us. Let us look at Bitcoin and see when Bitcoin is making moves. Yes. Let us look at Bitcoin. Right. Yes, I was doing my some drawings here. Let me remove these things so that we are able to look at candles only. Yes. Let me remove these things. Let me remove these things here. Yes. So we remain with candles only. We remain with candles only. All right. Yes. Okay. So let's look at these candles that we are seeing in Bitcoin. The candles that we are seeing in Bitcoin. Okay. Let's look at here when the market made a reverse here. When the market trended downward and then it made a reverse here. What type of a candlestick is this one? What type of a candlestick is this one? I'm trying to enlarge so that it can give meaning. I'm trying to enlarge so that it can give meaning. Yes, what type of a candle is this one? What type of a candle is this? Give me the name of this candle. Because the market came from this side. Can you see where the market is coming from? It's coming from the top there. That's where the market is coming from. So it has been trending downward up to this level of 53,000. Yes, up to this level of 53,000. Then we saw the buyers coming in with the buying pressure. Yes, this is a buying pressure candle, but I wanted the name of this candle. It's a buying pressure candle, but I needed the name. What is the name of that candle? 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 The candle that we have just looked at. What is the name of that candle? What is the name of that candle? I didn't say anything about a rising candle. I want its name. I want its name. Yes. I want its name. Be specific. Be specific. Some they are finding it difficult, but you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Yes. All right. That is a pin bar. That is a hammer. It's a pin bar. It's a hammer, guys. It's a hammer. You don't need it to sweat plasma. You can just see. Look at this. You can just see. Okay. You can just see. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. See Kahed. It has got Kahed up there. Yes. It has got this Kahed here. So this tells you that this is a hammer. It is having a long lower shadow. I was talking about the appearance of a hammer, the characteristic of a hammer. The long lower shadow, and it is having a small body. Sometimes it does not have the upper shadow. Sometimes it do have the upper shadow, but it is a small one. So this appearance of Kahama here, then the market changed direction. It went high up. It went high up. Can you see? The market went up there. The market changed direction. It went up there. Okay. So we are able to see hammers. We are able to see pin bars. We are able to see tweezer tops. Okay. Yes. Can we locate some gravestone dodges? Can we locate some gravestone dodges? Let us navigate. This is one day. Okay. This is one day. Can we locate some gravestone dodges? Okay. Can we locate some gravestone dodges? Okay, let's come here. What are we seeing here, ladies and gentlemen? What are we seeing here? What are we seeing here? What are we seeing there? What are we seeing there? What are we seeing here? What is here? What is here? They are the same. What is here and what is here is the same. What are you seeing there? Give me an answer. What is here and what is here is the same. Give me an answer in the chat. What are you seeing there? What are you seeing there? What are you seeing there? I said it today, we're going to go practical. I said it today, we're going to go practical. So some, they are afraid. You know, when you're doing practical, there are people who doesn't like to fail. They don't know that when they practice, they make themselves better. Their practice makes you better. So there are people who are afraid to give answers. They think that we're going to laugh at them. You are failing yourself. Yes, you are failing yourself. At least try so that we correct you. Yes, try, we correct you. If you keep quiet, you are not going to learn. Put your brain to work. Okay? Yes, we are here to learn. We are here to learn. All right, so at least participate. When you don't participate, what you don't know what you are doing to your brain, unless you did not understand, but try to participate. So today we are doing some practicals here. That's what we are doing. So it comes back to you now. It comes back to you. So those are tweezer tops. You can see that they are tweezer tops. Okay. It's easy to identify them. It is easy to identify them. Like I said that the chart patterns, they are profitable market concept and they are easy to identify them. Okay. They are easy to identify them. I think they are appearing 3 times in a row. They are appearing 3 times in a row. Look at this. Look at this. and look at this here. Okay. Yes. So you can see what is happening there. You can see what is happening there. Those are tweezer tops. Those are tweezer tops. Whenever they appear, then the market changes direction. The market changes direction. Yes, the market changes direction. What chart pattern is this one here? 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 What chart pattern is this? Give me an answer in the chat. What chart pattern is this? What chart pattern is that? What chart pattern is this? We did this one sometime. Yes, sometime this week we did this one. What type of a chart pattern is this one here? What type of a chart pattern is that? Let me check the answers. What people are giving me in the chat there. Let me see. 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 I'm trying to check here. Let me remind you a bit. Where are my slides? Where are my slides? Did I remove them? Are they here? Can we get the slides here? I want you to remember. I want you to remember. Do I have slides here? Okay, it's not here. Let me bring them here so that you are able to remember about this. You are able to remember about that. Yes, I just want to bring my slides here. I hope they are available here. No, it's not this one. I'm looking for my slides here. Where are they? I want to bring them here so that you are able to see what I'm talking about. It's very interesting. I want you to see, did I keep them here? I think they are under notes here. Let me check them here. Yes, they should be here. They should be here. My chart patterns, I think they are here. Let me bring them here. Yes. Let me bring them here so that you are able to see what I was talking about. Where are they? Which chart pattern is that one? There's a chart pattern with 2 candles. Let me check here. I'm asking about this chart pattern. Okay, we started from here, from the engulfing bars. I'm looking for this one here. This one here. This one. This one. This one. This one. This is what I'm talking about. This one. This one. Let's go back there. Let's go back there. I want you to have a look at this. Have you taken a look at this? This one and this one. Have you taken a look at this? Now let's go there. Let's go there where I was asking the question. I was asking a question here. So now it started to load from scratch now. You see these gadgets. Yes. These gadgets sometimes they can. Now I understand when Leader Julius was talking about iPhones and Android phones. It comes back to this. 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 Yes. Where is that chart pattern? It was not here now. Where was I? I was navigating where now? I don't see that chart pattern. Okay. But I was looking at the Harami pattern. All right. What I was asking, it was a Harami pattern. It was a Harami pattern to the downside. Okay, it was a Harami pattern to the downside. Am I correct? If you did look at what I was asking, it was a Harami pattern to the downside. Okay, we are here, and then we navigated here. Here. Okay, this is what I was asking. I was asking about this chart pattern here. This one. That's what I was asking. This one here. Okay, I was asking about this. That's the Harami pattern over there. This one, you can see that this is a candle for buyers. This candle is for buyers. This one is for sellers. So if I may come here and bring it, if I come here, can you see? Can you see, ladies and gentlemen, when I say it's a Harami pattern, the market is coming from this direction. It's coming from this direction. This candle is a mother candle for buyers. This one is a smaller body candle for sellers. Then we saw the market went down. So this is a Harami pattern. Am I making sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense, guys, on the Harami pattern? Does it make sense? Give me an answer in the chat if I'm making sense what I'm trying to show you here. Does it make sense? We are looking at the chart patterns. Maybe when I was just speaking that time, you were just seeing like that. But now we are able to look at them practically. We are able to look at them practically, and we are seeing them. We are seeing them. If you have been following, you are able, I'm sure your mind is able to start picking something. If you have been following, I'm sure your mind is opening up a bit and start picking something. Yes. So when you take your time, you look at this kind of formation, and then you go at what we were talking about. You will see that you are going to find some of the candlestick chart pattern. Yes, you may not find them all, but the movement of the market to the upper side, when it started to move, you will see a certain type of candlestick chart pattern that appears there. When the market changes direction to the downside, you are going to see what happened when the market started to go downward. For example, if you can just have a look here, okay? Can you see the presence of this long upper shadow here? This is a selling pressure. This is a selling pressure. When this happened, when I was talking about long shadows, long upper shadows and long lower shadows, if you remember very well, this is a selling pressure. When it happened, you can see that there was some sort of going down up to this level. Yes, up to this level. When the market came down here, can you see the presence of another long lower shadow? This is a long upper shadow, this one. Long upper shadow. This one is a long lower shadow. When this appeared, when this happened here on the bottom here, on the bottom here, when this happened, if I may enlarge my screen this way, okay? Can you see what happened here after the appearance of this long lower shadow? All right, this is a hammer. So you can see the market change direction. So the presence of this long and long lower shadow, long upper shadow signifies something, signifies something. So you are able to follow and say, okay, you can see what happened there. The market went up here. The market went up here. Can you see? The market went up here. Then you can see here the presence of that shadow I was talking about. Okay. What type of a candlestick is this one? If I may ask a question, that is having a long upper shadow. What type of a candlestick is this one? Because the opposite of this one here, the opposite of this one here, this one here, this one here, This one is the female. This one is the male. This one is the male. This one is the female. So what is the name of this candle? What is the name of that candle? Give me an answer in the chat. What is the name of that candle? What is the name of that candle? Thank you so much, Samuel. That is a shooting star. Yes, that is a shooting star. The hammer upside down. The hammer upside down is a shooting star. All right, the shooting star. But the presence of shadows, longer shadows, which is upper, longer shadows, which is down, signifies pressures, whether it is a selling pressure, whether it is a buying pressure. I hope you are tracking, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. So we can go all day looking at these chart patterns. I said that if you don't see an engulfing bar, you are going to see a family of dojis. If you don't see a family of dojis, you are going to see hammers. If you don't find hammers, you are going to see morning and evening stars. If you don't see evening stars, you are going to see tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. If you don't see tweezer bottoms, tweezer tops, what are you going to see? You are going to see the three white soldiers and the three black crows. All right. Yes, those are the chart patterns that we were looking at. One of them you will see appearing and making the market to change direction. Okay. Maybe let's look at one more. Let me change my watch list here and look at other pairs. Maybe we might find some other chart patterns that we didn't manage to find them. What is happening here? It is happening here. Okay, this is 1 day time frame. Seems like it's a new coin. Doesn't have a lot of candles. It's a new coin starting from here. Okay. Okay, so you can see what happened here. If you are able to pick this family of candles over there, this family of candles over there, you are able to pick that one. What happened there? Okay, if we continue to navigate. Yes. Look at what happened here. This type of a candle. What happened there? Okay. What happened there? Let's navigate more. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this one? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this, ladies and gentlemen? What are you seeing here? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? This one. I think there is one that we did not talk about. We didn't find it. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? I want you to see where the market is coming from. And when this appeared, it changes the whole scenario. When this appeared, yes, the market came down again, but we can see, but it all began here. What type of a chart pattern is this? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a chart pattern is that? Give me an answer in the chat if you are able to identify that one. It is an engulfing bar. What type of engulfing bar? What type of engulfing bar? What type of engulfing bar? Yes, I agree. It is an engulfing bar. But what type of an engulfing bar is it? Is it a bearish or a bullish? Is it a bearish or a bullish? Is this a bullish engulfing bar or a bearish engulfing bar? Is this a bullish engulfing bar or a bearish engulfing bar? Is this bullish or bearish? Is this bullish or bearish? Is this bullish or bearish? From here, what happened? Did the market went down or it went up? If you are saying bearish, if you say bearish engulfing bar, did the market went down or it went up? So that you see the difference. Because engulfing bar, if it is bearish, it means afterwards the market should go downward. But if the market went up, then it tells you that it was a bullish engulfing bar. All right. So it is an engulfing bar and it's a bullish one. It's an engulfing bar and it's a bullish one. Yes. Thank you so much to those who gave the answers. All right. So I'm sure you are able to follow, you are able to correct. You are able to follow, you are able to correct. Yes. I'm about to finish. I'm about to finish my day, just scrolling and finding out different types of chat patterns. Scrolling, finding out different types of chat patterns. Yeah, you can see what happened here. This is a grave. This is a grave. This is a grave, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this is a grave. Let me check in 4 hours time frame what we can find in 4 hours time frame on this coin. What we can find in 4 hours time frame. Let's check. Let's see where the market is coming from. If we can find any. Okay. All right, here we are. Maybe let's come to the top here. I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense. Yes. Here. Here. What are you seeing here? What are you seeing here, ladies and gentlemen? What are you seeing there? What are you seeing here? What type of forces are appearing here? What type of forces are appearing here? What type of forces are appearing here? If I can enlarge that, what type of forces are appearing there? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, what type of forces are appearing there? What type of forces are appearing there? I'm trying to take you so that you are able to see. Yes. I'm sure you are able to get meaning out of this. I'm just navigating. You can do this. Take time, go to your trading view, look at the types of candles that are forming, especially in one day, in 4 hours. You can even do it in 1 week. You can even do it in 1 week. But take time. Yes, go to your trading view. There are some people who comes to trading view only when they want to trade. Only when they want to pick a coin and trade. It's when they will visit their trading view. But they don't have time to come and analyze the market and leave it. They don't have that time. They will only come here when they want to see how a coin is performing. After that, they leave. Take your time, come to your trading view. Yes, check different types of coins. See what type of candles are forming. If you have reached a point where you can draw support and resistance, do some draws there and see. And you leave it and see after 4 hours what is going to happen. Is the market going to respect your drawing or no? Okay, that's what we do. If you want to be perfect, you need to do that. Take time, come to trading view. Yes, do your drawings. If you have reached that stage of doing some drawings, leave it and come and check afterwards. It's gonna help you to understand, to interpret the market. Don't only come when they send a signal in the group and say, let me go and check that coin, you are doing yourself a disservice. Take your time, analyze the market. If you want to be a professional trader, you need to spend time here. You need to spend time here. Yes. So, guys, this is so far that we have come. I'm sure okay. I'm sure you have learned something in the candlestick chart patterns. I'm sure you have learned something in the candlestick chart patterns. Yeah, I'm concluding my day here. I hope it was something helpful in the process of understanding. If you did not understand this, when Coach Julius comes and takes over from here, that time I was saying we are drinking milk. If you remember my word, I said we are drinking milk. So when Leader Julius comes here and takes over from here, you should expect bones now. We're going to start eating bones, swallowing bones. Yes. So we have been eating milk all along, eating milk, eating milk. So if you didn't get this, it's going to be a problem. Yes, this has been soft food. The soft food is over. Okay, the soft food is over. Yes, you should expect some practicals, drawing support and resistance, measuring your margin calls, measuring your take profit, putting in some indicators to give more interpretation of the market. So someone is going to sweat plasma. Hey, Coach Lucas, people will start sweating plasma here. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I think I'm going to hand over to Coach Julius, and that will be all from me. I just want to thank you guys for being here with me. Yes, the consistency that you have shown, I can even relate. I said that there are some names that I can mention that I have been seeing them here almost every day. That is consistency. So I just want to thank you guys that you have been here. Should I call it a full 2 weeks or some 2 weeks and some days? Yes, but we have been here from the beginning when we started our syllabus. So with Coach Julius is going to pick it from here and bringing the other lessons on top of this one. This one was the foundation. So some more lessons will come on top of this one. So if you failed to understand this, I don't know, when the bricks start to come on top of this foundation, I'm not sure where you are going to be. All right, but anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Allow me to usher in my host, Coach Julius. Thank you so much. I think you can do some closing remarks and we call it a day. Oh, let me make him a co-host. Okay. I did not know that I'm the host. Is he here? Um, is the coach here? Okay, I don't see him here. Okay, I don't see him here. I was thinking that he is here. I don't see him here. Okay. No, he's not here. Okay, all right. But he is going to take us from here going forward. He's going to take us from here going forward. I'm not sure he will start immediately tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow we're going to have a break. Then we're going to start on Monday. I'm not sure, but I think we will see when the days are unfolding. Yeah, we're going to see when the days are unfolding that we're going to start tomorrow or we're not going to start tomorrow. It means if we don't see uh, Zoom link being shared tomorrow morning, it means we don't have a lesson. Probably we will start on Monday. Okay, so when you don't see a Zoom link being shared tomorrow morning, it means we don't have a lesson. But when you see it, it means we are having a lesson. All right. Once again, thank you so much, guys, and all the leaders that have been joining us each and every morning. It has been a pumping pleasure that I was your host. I was your host. Thank you so much that you have been here with me. All right, so let's meet in the other Zoom that is coming. This is a Thursday. Yes, this is a Thursday. There are other Zooms that are coming. So I wish you all the best, guys. Yes, stick around. The market is still not good. We can see that a lot of money was lost in the previous 24 hours. Yes, if you were trading futures, I'm sure you could be one of them who could be crying. Yes, you could be crying. But as we have only gone into floating loss, we have only gone into floating loss. Yes, we are trading in the spot market. So our coins are still there. We did not lose. We did not lose, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we are into floating loss, but it's not real loss. People have lost money. I was checking the data. Something like $100 million. Yes, $100 million has been lost in the previous 24 hours when Bitcoin dropped to where it is. People have lost money. So stick with the spot market. Stick with the spot market. Appreciate your Royal Q floating losses. Appreciate them, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. So the market is not good. The market is not good, but we are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. Thank you so much. With those remarks, let's meet on the other side of the day. Yes, it has been a pumping pleasure talking to you throughout. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.